Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Welcome to the Spanish word of the day. This is Mr. Brigs, bringing you the word impatient in Spanish. Don't forget to click the red button and subscribe. It's 100% free and you'll be able to enhance your vocabulary daily. Muy bien, comencemos. Let's commence. Impatient in Spanish is impaciente. Impasiente. And this word is used with both genders. So you can be a male who's impaciente, or you can also be a female who's impaciente. 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 If you want to say, I'm impatient, you would say, yo estoy impaciente. Like this guy, look at him. Yo estoy impaciente. Make sure that you repeat after me. It's very important that you practice your pronunciation. So this female, this lady would say, yo estoy impaciente. Poor thing, she must have been waiting for hours and hours. Look at her face. She's a little bit impaciente. I don't blame her. Impaciente. What about this guy? He's impatient. Él está impaciente. Él está muy impaciente. Impaciente. Oh, he had enough. He's gone. Adiós. Siguiente, next one. Ella está impaciente. She's impatient. Ella está impaciente. She doesn't look very happy. Ella está impaciente. Now, let's see a few examples using the past tense. Es muy importante que repitas. It's very important that you repeat after me. Él estaba impaciente. He was impatient. Él estaba impaciente. He's waiting and waiting. He's feeling impaciente. Impaciente. What about this girl? She was impatient. Ella estaba impaciente. Ella estaba impaciente. Maybe she's running late to work or needs to get somewhere very quickly. Impaciente. Can you say that word? Impaciente. Impaciente. I-M-P-A-C-I-E-N-T-E. And in English it's spelled I-M-P-A-C-I-E-N-T-E. Impaciente. Impaciente. Impasiente. Muy bien, amigos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please click the red button and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me to continue publishing and coming up with new ideas for future videos. Leave your comments if you have any suggestions. Tell me where you're from. What would you like help with? Do you have any specific areas or topics that you would like me to cover? Don't hesitate to let me know. Leave it in the comments. Muchas gracias. Please take care and I'll see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Ciao, ciao.